Hello everyone. Today we learn how to set up or install React in your window machine. So these are the steps we need to follow. After that, you can start the creating examples or component using the React. So come to the learn. First, we'll need to install the Node.js. If you are not installed your machine, simply using these steps, go to the Node.js. Node.js is, this one is the window installer. You can simply click and download after install this window installer in your machine. So after successfully installed, please come to the second one steps. If you want to set up the React and want to use this React code with the help of the Visual Studio Code, so simply come to the Visual Studio site and go here is the option for the Windows, so you can click on this and download in your machine. After successfully done, please come to your third step, install the React using this command. Simply copy this command and go to your folder directory. In the folder directory, right click and open the window browser and paste this commands and press enter. Here you can see added 3 packages regarding the latest React. So come to the next step. Next step is NPM I install globally create app. So simply copy this. Copy this and come to your window browser, paste and press enter. It's taking few seconds. Now you can see changes 66 packages. Now come to this another steps to create the npx. Copy to npx create React app and app name. Come to the window browser and paste these commands. Press enter. This is very simple steps, so you can try and learn more. It's taking few seconds, so please take patience on it. Here is basically creating the new React app. The name of the React app is my app. Here I am using the my app is my project name, and these are the command you need to type. npx create new app command. See here is installing React DOM and React script with the React template. So take patience on it. It's taking a bit time to install. I will share these steps in the video description box, so simply you can go and copy. Also share these links to simply click and open and download in your machine to set up to start the React in your window machine using the Visual Studio Code. So You can do it. It's taking few seconds, so please try. Actually, I already set up these Node.js Visual Studio Code and other one because the time is a matter for you, so I don't want to waste your much time. So I already set up these one. So you can see here the installation process taking some time. So take patience on it. Now edit 1488 packages, installing template dependency using NPM. So it will take bit time more. Yes, it will take few more seconds. So please take patience on it. Now done the installation, you can move the folder directory cd my app. The I already picked my project name is my app, this one. Now come to the now come to the command code dot basically used to open the created my app code on Visual Studio. So press enter. See here your project my app and src folder public and node modules are created, and open these project on Visual Studio Code. See here is the project folder directory. Here is the app css, app.js, app.test.js, index.css, index.js. These are the here is the package.json. So you can see the version of the React. See here is the React 18.2 install. This is the latest right now, and the React DOM is 18.20. This one is the latest right now. React is script 5.0.1 right installed right now. These are the default one. Actually I have picked the latest one. So here where I am using npm I means installed in npm install React latest. So once you pick this command, this will install the latest one. These one the script that you are looking here, the React script. This command basically used for the React script. Now come to the terminal window. We will try to run this project. Also you can see here the node version. See here the node we have installed in this machine, version 18.15.0. also you can see the version of the Angular and React DOM, sorry not Angular, React and React DOM and React script here. Now come to the final run project. So type is start. See here is the commands we used code dot to open the Visual Studio, and step 8 open the terminal window of the Visual Studio Code. Now this one is the terminal window we open in the Visual Studio Code, And last one is run the my app using the npm CLI command, using the command npm start. See, here is the path that project is created. This one is the folder directory my app. Now type is here npm start start, press enter. Now your project is building. After a few seconds it will run on the browser. Please take patience. Start the development. Now you can see it's open the default port localhost column 3000. You means 3000 ports. See, your project is successfully set up and installed in your window machine, and open the Visual Studio Code this project and run. I hope you understand how to set up, how to install in your machine. So follow these steps. I will share these steps as well. So in the last I will say, please subscribe my channel for any query, any related query, or if you want to create some more example on it, so I will share in the video description box. If you want, so in other one, so please comment on it. Thank you.